everyone, and thank you for joining me today. This is Inspired Birdie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of planner type reviews and plan with me videos, as well as Dollar Tree hauls and DIYs. So welcome. So today we have a review of this Erasable Smart Notebook. If you are a returning subscriber of mine, you know how much I love notebooks and how much I love planners. So I was really super excited when Newyes reached out to me about collaborating on a video. So they did send me this for free. So this is a free item that I received from them. And I do actually have a planner coming as well. It just may not be here for about a month or so. There was none in stock in Canada. So today I'm going to review the notebook, which, by the way, they had in stock through Amazon, and I did get this within about 2 days, so very fast shipping. So why am I excited about this? Because as some of you may know, I absolutely love notebooks. I have a ton of different notebooks, but I never use them. And the reason I never use them is really I don't want to start using them and then they get full and then I have to throw them out, or what do you do with them when they're done? What I love about this one is this is the Erasable Smart Notebook. This is an environmentally friendly option, so I'm always excited about anything that's great for the environment. It's endlessly reusable, so that's fantastic. And you don't need any type of phone, tablet, computer to use this item. So this is the first time I'm opening it. I haven't opened it yet. This is my first time going ahead and opening it, and I thought that I would do that with you and we can take a look at it together. So this is the packaging it comes in. If you take a look at the options on the back, it says that it can be reused forever. You can reuse it either wet erase, so works with colorful hot erasable pens, and you can wipe it clean with a moist towel, or hot erasable. I will not be able to demonstrate this today as I don't have a hair dryer, believe it or not. I know everybody has one, but I don't. But it does say when your notebook is filled, you can simply blow the notebook with a hair dryer to turn all of your notes clear in just a few minutes. Thought that was pretty cool. Or you can use the pen tip to erase it and then upload and share. So this is the big part around if you're using this for something that you don't want to erase, you want to hold on to, like for example, art, drawings, pictures, or even work, you can upload it to the cloud, which is available. It talks about it in here, and keep it forever that way. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. I am going to take it out of the package first because I don't want it to glare and then you guys can't see. So let me get it out of the plastic wrap. Okay. So it looks like it comes with some of these, I never know what to call these. Page tabs, I think is what it is, but very popular among the planner community to use in your planner. So that's pretty cool. Very colorful. And it looks like it comes with an erasable towel. I will have everything linked below, by the way. I will link this specific planner below along with their website. So the website is called Newyes. And it looks like it comes with erasable gel pens. Just looking how, see you. That's cool. So that's how you open it. That looks like, is it red or is that just the tip cover? Okay, well, I don't want to ruin anything, so it might be, you know how some pens have like a cap to protect it? So we'll check in a second. I don't want to ruin anything. I think it is. And then there is the erasable part. Okay. I am not used to a notebook that's so thin, and that's for obvious reasons because it is a reusable. So I'm going to bring the camera down closer so you guys can get a good look at this. All right, so it has all of the instructions right on your first page. So writing, erasing, it tells you about the cloth that you can use. Do not use any alcoholic wipes. Good to know. Talks about the app so that you can download your pictures. Okay. And then notes for scanning. Very cool. Storage. Okay, very cool. And here is their information. But again, I will have that linked below for you. I'm not making any commission if you guys go to the website to buy anything. And then it has it in another language for you. All right, so here is the front page. So personal smart note. So I guess you can like make a note, put your name, whatever you want. Now they do have different options. So specifically when they reach out to me, I went with the dotted lines because I thought this would be a lot of fun to use for bullet journaling. But they do have regular lines, and I think they might have even had some with no lines. But yeah, simple as that. It's just paper. But we're gonna test this out. So let's go ahead and do that.
Street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
All right, guys, so first impression is once I realized you actually have to wet the towelette, it came off no problem at all, which is so super cool. I don't understand how the eraser works though. Oh, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. No, I don't think I am. But it didn't seem, the eraser didn't seem to really, oh no, oh, there we go. So what my recommendation would be is the eraser would be really fantastic for, you know, if you're writing and you made a typo, just to quickly erase and fix it. But if you want to clear the whole page, definitely go with the towel being wet, because that was amazing. All right, let's do this again. What should I write?
I know I would have kissed her slow.
super cool, guys. And for anybody wondering, the paper, it's not regular paper, obviously. So no, when you wipe it, it's not wet on the other side. I can't even describe the type of paper. Super soft. The pen I love. It's a very soft tipped pen. So it's a 0.5 for anybody who is into sizes, but super easy to use, really soft to write with. And I definitely give this a thumbs up. I think this is a very creative idea. I know that it's not new. I looked into it prior to, and I did see that they'd been around for a while, but I have never heard of this type of notebook or planner before. So really excited to have the opportunity to share this with you. And I think that this is just an amazing product. I cannot wait to see their planner and what the planner looks like. And I'll definitely share that with you guys once it comes in. But for any of you guys that, you know, don't have that need to keep the notebooks that you write in with all the writing in it, this is a fantastic idea. Fantastic for the environment, really easy and simple to use, and I do definitely highly recommend it. So go ahead, visit their website below if you're interested. Leave me a comment if you have ever used this book before, or if not, what you're most excited about. I'd love to hear from you all. And thank you so much for joining me today. Love and peace to you all. Have a fantastic week. Bye.